car is gone. Y'all. Well, first and foremost, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. May the 7th, I think. Yeah, May 7th. I'm stressed. Okay, so where do I start? So I'm at work. Calvin calls me at work and he's walking out to the car. He say he can't find his car. He can't find the car. I'm like, what you mean you can't find the car? He was like, it's gone. The car is gone. Yeah, apparently our complex is under new management and they wanted us to re-register our vehicles. Okay, hear me when I say this. Re-register our vehicles. Vehicles that were already registered, we had to re-register them. So did they tell me, you ask? So here's the thing. They sent out plenty of emails, y'all, but it was saying register unauthorized vehicles. First of all, I didn't think that pertained to me because the vehicles have been registered since we moved in. I thought that was pertaining to all the other guests. Yeah. So needless to say, y'all, they didn't got the damn car. They didn't got the damn car, and now we have to pay $300 to get our own car out. Happy Wednesday. Good morning, guys. So we are headed to Muffins with Mom.
I have my books on.
Let's show them your outfit. Go back. Go by the door. Y'all, she insisted on wearing these cowgirl boots. So we're going to Muffins with Mom. Do a pretty smile. Okay, let's go. Alright, y'all, back home. Clearly I'm working. I stopped by the leasing office too before I went to the gym. So both of the cars are registered now. We got that taken care of. So yeah, y'all, and I guess if you couldn't already tell, y'all, it is Mother's Day weekend. So I'm saying happy Mother's Day early, but yeah, it's Mother's Day weekend, and y'all know my man always has to work on Mother's Day, so I really don't know my plans. I might take Madison out and me and her like do something cute, but yeah, y'all, that's just kind of what's going on right now. Let me show y'all my skinny girl breakfast. So I have 3 pieces of turkey bacon, 1 scrambled egg, but I didn't do that on purpose. I only had 1 egg left and I was gonna boil it, but when I took it out the carton, it was already kind of cracked at the bottom. So yeah, just scrambled that on up. Then I have my pineapples, bananas, strawberries, grapes. Yeah, I really should have put my fruit in the bowl, y'all, but who about to dirty up some dishes? I already got a sink full of dishes I gotta wash. So yeah, that's what we're gonna get. How I sent her to school. Look at her. Look at her. Girl, wait. It's oh, okay. Good morning. It is Saturday, May the 10th. Saturday morning is 8:18 a.m. and we are up. Yeah, I'm about to head to the gym and I really don't feel like going. We're not making it to a mile. I'm done. I'm fighting for my life. outfit. Headed to the prom send-off. Let me see. Stand up straight.
It's career prom.
Yeah.
Bracelets.
So much is in the way, babe. Ain't no one above the two of us. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. See, in a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me.
Good morning, you guys, and happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms who wake up every day and do the damn thing. Happy Mother's Day to us. All right, you guys, so we are dressed. We are headed out. We're gonna try to go to LaLa Land, the coffee shop. Hopefully it's not crowded. So Calvin sent us money, so we're gonna go.
That's funny.
All right, we made it to LaLa Land. Parking in this area is terrible. I don't know if it's just because it's Mother's Day or it's normally terrible, but we went to the one on Shepherd Drive. I think they have like 2 locations here in Houston, but we're at the one on Shepherd Drive. So you ready, mommy? Okay, so we're about, why is your leg? Put your leg down. But I don't think I showed y'all. Oh, it's all. I also. Can y'all see? Oh God, hold on. I also got some avocado toast, and from the one bite I had, it tasted pretty good. So I'm hungry.
You have food.
Hold on.
And I have muffins.
Yes, y'all. I really need to start checking the weather. This is ridiculous. Like, I'm too old for that. Yeah, that's good. Y'all, this damn avocado toast was $10.50.
And the blueberries was 100,020.
It probably was. I didn't even check the price of that. I'm dropping off my mom's flowers for Mother's Day.
Come on here with your bad self. Everybody getting everybody's name.
Thank you.